Alright, so I'm printing some face masks to help with some medical professionals who may not have what they need. I don't know if they'll need this or not, but hopefully they'll have it if they do need it. What these are, I've got a few of them here, different sizes. What they are is they're a rigid PLA plastic on the front, and then I swap in the middle to go to a flexible plastic to kind of fit on the face. And then this piece here, you put a piece of filter over it, and then you snap it into place like that, and then it holds the filter. This was a test that was all PLA. I was running out of plastic, but I wanted to know how if I could. It works rigidly, but I dipped it in boiling water for about 5 seconds, and then could put it on my face and kind of mold it while it was warm to fit me better, and that's doable too. But yeah, I've been working on it for a little while now. Printed these at 100% and these at 90% for smaller faces. And as you can see, I've got my 90% faces going here too. Yep, and I've got it set up so that it sends me a text when the print is done, and I come and change it out and make another.